Hi everyone, it's Janet with remarkablycreated.com. In today's video, I want to showcase for you the elements of my 2019 Spring Catalog product share. The 2019 Stampin' Up! Spring Catalog is going to debut on January 3rd, and it's full of over 50 pages of beautiful brand new stamps, bundles. You've got ribbons, papers, embellishments, all kinds of great stuff. In addition, on January 3rd, Sale-a-bration kicks off. And Sale-a-bration is our biggest event of the year. We have an amazing special for joining Stampin' Up! 2 absolutely over-the-top offers where you get $175 in product for $99 or $175 in product with our beautiful craft tote for just $129. Both of those options with free shipping. In addition, for those of you who just like to shop, we have free product for you based on $50 and $100 orders or orders with those increments. So the products that I'm going to showcase for you are found in both of these. I do have a sampling of the Sale-a-bration products as a free gift for the first 30 to order a product sampler. So let's take a look at what will come in the product sampler. So first, you're going to get a sample of all of the new papers, and they are done as a 6x6 square, which is great for those of you who are doing card making. You can get, your different layers out of that, either a full card with some left over for layering. You can get some other elements for layering smaller on your card front. So it's a nice way to sample all of our paper. So I'm going to show them to you here. And the paper in the catalog is just beautiful. This one's our classic garage. The first one I showed you was part of our floral romance. And so here you can see, I love the grunginess of this paper. This is part of our classic garage suite. Has a beautiful car set. So you're going to get all of these. We keep going. And then we have this beautiful gingham paper that's part of our gingham gala suite. And there's 4 different colors there with 2 different sizes of gingham. Then our happiness blooms suite. You've got real bold. So again, just that variety, and you'll see that as we continue to go through this. Look at that, isn't that pretty? One of the things I love about designer paper is how it encourages me to try color combinations I might not normally try. And one of the things about Stampin' Up! Products is its color coordination. So the navy in this is going to work with our navy cardstock, with our navy ink, any ribbons, anything that might have navy in it. So again, your Sahara Sands, your Real Reds, all of those are all going to match. So now let's keep looking at more of the paper. And you're going to get one each of everything that I'm showing you here. And then this is our beautiful meant to be. You've got this, and this was neat. It's outlined with crumb cake as opposed to having a white outline, which is different. And again, a lot of our papers that have a row of a row of images, is done in such a way that you can cut between that row so that you can easily make belly bands and things like that on projects. And I love that while, of course, it's got some hearts and you might be able to use it for Valentine's, you're going to find on the other side very beautiful florals. Now this one's outlined in your white, so it does look like it's embossed. Look how pretty. So a sampler is a great way to try out all of the products. It gives you a chance to experience them and decide which ones you might need a full pack of, full roll of. And then this is our sweets, the sweetest thing. Gummy bears. I'm like, who would have ever thought gummy bears on paper, right? So, but again, and then also the papers coordinate within the pack. So you've got some fun things happening right within the packs. So great stuff there. And then this is the paper that you will get for free if you're one of the first 30 to order a sampler. This is a sampling of the paper that is a free choice in our Sale-a-bration catalog. And we have a new butterfly punch that will coordinate with some of the butterflies on this paper. Oops, those are stuck together. And again, you've got muted or monochromatic colors or black and white on one side, and then those beautiful colorful butterflies on the other. So that's all of the paper. In addition, you have the option of upsizing your product sampler to include the coordinated cardstock. So the cardstock that goes with all of the different designer papers, to include black and white to go with the butterfly paper. And this year I'm doing the paper as full 8.5 by 11 sheets so that you can go ahead and cut them down again to whether you want it to be a full-size card, whether you just already have a pack of white or black and you just need, for example, our rose red or our night of navy or mossy meadow, for example, to layer behind the designer paper. So you're also going to have the option of upsizing, and you will receive tons of coordinated cardstock to go with your paper. So that will be an option. You can do a standard sampler or a sampler that includes the cardstock. So now let's take a look at all of the beautiful ribbons. And we'll pull this one out for just a second. Let's pull that one out. And that one. And that one. Okay. So just so you can see the beautiful ribbons. We've got our stitched lovely lipstick. We have this beautiful ribbon that's actually two-sided. I know they called it variegated. And it kind of has that look when you make your bow. But it's this beautiful double-sided ribbon. We have this really pretty one with, I call it a racing stripe of silver down the side, and I call it that just because it's also part of the suite for the classic garage. And all of the ribbon will come as a yard for you. And so there, this one you don't even feel like I can't even feel it in my hand. I'll be honest, it's that light. You can barely tell you're touching it. So beautiful ribbons here, real narrow. This one's really dainty, very, very narrow. And then the old olive. So again, you're going to get 1 yard of each one of those. And then again, if you're one of the first 30, you're going to get a sampling of the Sale-a-bration ribbons. And there's 5 different colors in that Sale-a-bration pack. So you'll get a sampling of that. Another thing that's included in the sampler that you're going to get a sampling of is and it won't be full packs, but you will get samplings, whether it's a whole row, a whole section, several of them, but you're going to get a sampling of the different embellishments that are available. You've got your different charms, your really tiny buttons. Of course, you've got your epoxy heart shapes, your beautiful happiness blooms, flower dots. These are really fun flowers. And your seals. And then the other embellishments that are part of that are tags. And so you'll receive a couple of those along with the clips that are designed to hang from them. And these tags have a shiny edge, so kind of like an embossed edge on one side, and then they're matte finished on the other, so you can choose to use either side. And then one more free gift that's part of the gift that the first 30 will get is you will get one or the other of the sampling. Again, these are a note card set that is a free choice during celebration. Really fun, quick, and easy cards to put together. Your little message slides in and out of what would be the post box. And then there's a place for a message inside, and then the fun old school airmail envelopes. And I'm probably dating myself by calling them airmail envelopes, but I'm sure some of you know exactly what I'm talking about. So again, another free gift. So lots and lots of great stuff. If you're not on my mailing list and want some details on this product share, make sure that you use the link in the description of the video below. If you have questions about the product share, just let me know. This is available only in the U.S. as I am a U.S. demonstrator for Stampin' Up. So lots and lots of great stuff coming in the spring catalog. And in addition, if you do not have a demonstrator that you work with and would love a copy of this catalog, make sure again that you use the link below to reach out to me to get a copy of this catalog. So I am looking forward to January 3rd and lots of fun with all of these beautiful new products, including also the stamps bundles and other fun things. So thanks, guys.